My name is Shivam Gupta and I am from IIT-BHU second. First of all, I would like to thank Varun Pathak sir who delivered this sharing this knowledgeable lecture among the students about steganography and about ethical hacking. So today I am choosing one topic about steganography. So let's start. So as you all know, steganography, what steganography means, it means hiding messages in innocent media. Means suppose I give an example to you that suppose there is an image of anything like flower and you know that the image is flower, but inside the image there is a secret message behind it, and the user and the innocent media doesn't know that there is a data that is available inside the picture. So an encrypted message arouses suspicion during transmission, and in steganography a hidden message is invisible and is not expected to arouse suspicion. So moving to next slide. So talking about its history, as we all know that in ancient times also steganography were being there. So let's talk about one of the very popular example that people who are in ancient time they used to tag with the secret message and allow their hair to grow and then send the messenger. Means they used to keep the people bald-headed, and when his head can be saved once again in order to see the hidden message, what the message is being encrypted inside his head. And the German spy also sent this message during World War II. Another example is there, just like parsing cells from NY Zone 1, you can say, and you doesn't know that what does it means, but this is a secret message of this message, as you can see. So moving to next slide. Talking about steganography methods, one of the popular methods is least significant bit, LSB insertion. And you can see that modify the LSB of a pixel value based on the message to hide. And some of their properties are simple to implement, compatible with lossless compression, better adapted to 24 images. And there are many more properties also. So as you see in this example also, that this is a cover image and this is a stego image, and the innocent user cannot find that this image is different or this image is different. The user used to see that both images are same, but in this image the confidential data is being hidden in that image, as you see in this example also. There are many more such type of images also, that this is a major strategic Soviet bomber base and this is the cover image, it looks like a normal image, and this is the stego one, and the user cannot find it out that this is that encrypted message here given below. So talking about some of the steganography tools, that some of the very popular steganography tools are Steganography. It is a free software which is used to hide or secret the files in BMP images or web files. And image steganography is also another program for hiding your information in image file. And StegHide. StegHide is one of the most popular open source tool that lets you hide your image, your secret file in an image or audio file. You can use these tools in Kali Linux or in your Windows machine or in your Ubuntu machine also, and you see that how it looks like. I will show you the practical part also. So
start.
So now I am showing the practical part of steganography, how you use this tool via online method. So simply search on Google online steganography and then see Then you see the first link, just click on this link, and here you see the encode message and you see the choose file option. So simply click on choose file and simply go to your file, your image file. So just click on open and just enter your message. So our message is, this is a confidential message. And now click on the encode button. And here you can see the binary representation of your message in 0 or 1 form. And here you can see the original image of your image file, and this is the normalized one, and this is the message hidden in image. Just you need to right click on this image and save this image. So I am saving this image in the desktop. So there is, okay, I am saving this in documents. Name as hide message dot jpg. So now I am using this as decode image, and here I am choosing the image file one, and here I am clicking on decode, and as you can see the message which I am saving, that this is a confidential message. Just yes, this is a confidential message. The data, the message which I am hiding in this image file, and this image file also looks like a normal one. So that's all about steganography tool, and I am telling you one more thing about how to save and how to do this practical in Windows machine also. So let's get started. So normally you just open your command prompt in Windows machine and you go on your desktop file, and in your desktop file you create a notepad file. You have to create a notepad file. So I am creating a notepad file named secret12.txt, and just yes, and I am writing a message that this is a message. Don't send it to others. So just save this message and copy this message. Now copy /b and your image file name, which was aquatic.jpg, and your notepad file, which was secret12.txt, and save another file which was hide message.jpg, and now you save this, and here you can see that your aquatic file and secret12.txt file is copied. Now as you can see, the aquatic image file also looks like the same, and the hide message.jpg file also looks like the same. There is no difference between these two images. Normal user cannot identify this hide message.jpg file and this file message. So I am showing you that how in this message, just right click on this and open this file as notepad file. So just choose notepad notepad just once, and here you can see your data at the end of the notepad file, that what message you hide. So laptop is working slowly, that's why. So as you can see that the message, hidden message is there. This is a message, don't send it to others. So that is the this is the one way through which you can save your stego file also. So that's about steganography. So thank you.